Okay, you should remain silent. You should remain silent when there is no teacher. When there is no teacher, giving class is teacher's lesson. Okay, giving class. You look after your homework until your teacher comes. Until your teacher comes. Okay, promise me. Promise. Okay, sit down. All sit down. Do you have any homework? Okay, please submit your homework. Everyone submit your homework. And open your book. And open your exercise book. Okay. And attractively, you can use this software. You can use this software. What type of software you can use for PowerPoint presentation? PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation. So, could you tell me about PowerPoint presentation? Anyone? Anyone? PowerPoint presentation? Give send.
A document that created by a file that created document or file that created by PowerPoint application or software that is called
PowerPoint presentation. That's good. Please sit down. Sit down. If you see the picture, we can present something, some pictures, some animation. Okay, nice and artistic. Look, there is a caption. There is a caption. And then you can see here. Wow, the two men recite the Holy Quran, right? So imagine recitation of Holy Quran. Tilawat by C. Tilawat by C. Reading Holy Scripture by C. Tilawat by C. And then there is a lot of caption. See, I want to visualization some audio or video. Then you can use this software.